Imagine a life where money isn't a source of stress, but a tool for achieving your dreams. Sounds ideal, right? Yet, for many, it feels just out of reach. In the U.S. alone, a staggering 78% of workers live paycheck to paycheck, according to a 2019 Career Builder report. And with the average household debt standing at over $90,000 in 2020, as reported by NerdWallet, it's clear that financial freedom is a battle against the norm. But here's the twist. The key to unlocking this freedom lies not in earning more, but in breaking free from wealth-blocking habits that keep us trapped in a cycle of debt and living paycheck to paycheck. From the allure of impulse buys that promise instant gratification to the daunting maze of financial jargon that turns many away from investing, these habits are the silent dream killers. As we dive deeper, we'll explore not just the statistics and the sobering realities of modern financial challenges, but also the life-changing magic of shifting your mindset and habits. So buckle up. This isn't just about saving money. It's about transforming your life one habit at a time. 1. Ignoring financial education. In an age where information is more accessible than ever, ignoring financial education is akin to navigating a ship without a compass. A 2023 survey found that individuals with a higher level of financial literacy are 10% more likely to engage in wealth-building activities, such as investing and saving for retirement, than those with lower literacy levels. Yet, despite the plethora of resources available, a significant portion of the population lacks basic financial knowledge, often leading to costly mistakes and missed opportunities. Take, for instance, the story of Mia, who knew little about personal finance and felt overwhelmed by the thought of investing. After attending a free online course on the basics of the stock market, she gained the confidence to start investing small amounts. Over time, these investments grew, significantly contributing to her financial security and peace of mind. Financial education shouldn't be seen as a daunting task, but as an empowering tool that unlocks the door to informed decision-making and financial independence. By dedicating time to understand the fundamentals of personal finance, budgeting, investing, and saving, you're not just planning for a secure future, you're actively building it. 2. Avoiding networking and mentorship. In the realm of personal finance, networking and mentorship are often the unsung heroes of success. A 2024 LinkedIn report highlighted that individuals who actively seek mentorship and networking opportunities increase their chances of financial success by over 25%. This statistic underscores the power of learning from those who have already navigated the complexities of financial growth and are willing to share their insights. Consider the story of Carlos, who, feeling stuck in his financial journey, reached out to a colleague known for savvy investment strategies. Through regular coffee meetings, Carlos gained invaluable advice on diversifying his portfolio and optimizing his savings. This mentorship not only broadened his financial knowledge, but also opened doors to opportunities he hadn't considered, like an exclusive investment club. Avoiding networking and mentorship means missing out on a wealth of knowledge and opportunities that could accelerate your financial goals. Whether it's joining online finance communities, attending workshops, or simply asking a financially savvy friend for advice, these connections can provide guidance, encouragement, and access to resources that might otherwise be out of reach. Tap into the collective wisdom around you, embracing the journey towards financial empowerment together. 3. Giving up on diversification. Diversification is a cornerstone of sound investment strategy, yet many investors overlook its importance. A 2023 financial survey revealed that 40% of individual investors had portfolios heavily concentrated in just one or two types of investments, significantly increasing their risk of loss. Diversification isn't just about spreading investments across different sectors. It's about creating a buffer against the volatility of the market, ensuring that a downturn in one area doesn't devastate your entire portfolio. Take Sarah's experience, for example. She invested predominantly in tech stocks, drawn by their high growth potential. However, when the tech sector experienced a significant downturn, so did her investment value. It was a wake-up call that led her to diversify into real estate, bonds, and international stocks, which helped stabilize her portfolio during market fluctuations. Embracing diversification means recognizing the value of variety in your investment choices. It's about balancing potential risks and rewards to achieve a more stable financial future. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you not only protect yourself from significant losses, but also position your portfolio for growth from multiple sources. 4. Not setting clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is essential for navigating the complex world of personal finance. Yet many people skip this critical step. A 2023 survey found that individuals with specific financial goals are 30% more likely to feel confident about their financial future compared to those without. Clear goals provide a roadmap, helping you make informed decisions and stay focused amidst the noise and distractions of daily life. Consider the journey of Jenna, who always found herself living paycheck to paycheck, unsure of where her money was going. It wasn't until she sat down to outline her financial goals, building an emergency fund, paying off credit card debt, and saving for a down payment on a house that she began to see progress. By setting these goals, Jenna could prioritize her spending and saving strategies, making her financial decisions more intentional and her goals more attainable. Having clear financial goals transforms abstract ideas into tangible targets. Whether it's retiring by 55, owning a home, or simply becoming debt-free, setting these goals acts as a beacon, guiding your financial choices and behaviors. Let's commit to defining our financial aspirations, breaking them down into achievable milestones, and taking proactive steps toward realizing our dreams. This clarity not only propels us forward but also instills a sense of purpose and achievement along our financial journey. 5. Procrastination on financial planning. Procrastination is a common enemy in many areas of life, but when it comes to financial planning, its costs can be particularly steep. A 2023 study revealed that individuals who delay financial planning often end up with 25% less in retirement savings than those who start early. This delay can lead to missed opportunities, such as the power of compound interest, and can force individuals into playing catch-up later in life. Take Mark's story, for example. He kept putting off investing in his retirement account, thinking there was plenty of time. By the time he started in his late 30s, he realized he had to contribute significantly more to reach his retirement goals than if he had begun a decade earlier. This realization hit hard, highlighting the true cost of procrastination. Starting your financial planning early and updating it regularly can make a profound difference in achieving your financial goals. It's about taking small, manageable steps today to avoid a mountain of catch-up later. Overcome procrastination by setting clear, actionable financial goals and taking immediate steps toward them, ensuring a more secure and comfortable future. 6. Resisting change and new opportunities. Resisting change and shying away from new opportunities can significantly hamper financial growth. A 2024 study indicated that individuals who actively seek and embrace new financial opportunities, such as emerging investment platforms or innovative saving strategies, are 40% more likely to achieve their financial goals faster than those who stick to traditional methods. This resistance to change not only limits potential income streams, but also restricts personal growth and adaptability in a rapidly evolving financial landscape. Consider the story of Emma, who was hesitant to invest in digital currencies or explore online investment platforms due to her unfamiliarity with technology. However, once she decided to step out of her comfort zone and educate herself on these new avenues, she was able to diversify her portfolio significantly and tap into new markets, leading to substantial financial gains. Embracing change and staying open to new opportunities is crucial in today's dynamic financial environment. By continually learning and adapting, we can uncover potential growth avenues, mitigate risks, and accelerate our journey toward financial freedom. 7. Neglecting health and well-being. Neglecting health and well-being can have a profound impact on personal finance, a fact underscored by recent statistics showing healthcare expenses are one of the leading causes of financial strain in American households. A 2023 study revealed that individuals who prioritize their health through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mental health care tend to have 20% lower medical expenses annually compared to those who do not. Take the case of Alex, who, after years of prioritizing work over health, faced a wake-up call with a health scare that resulted in substantial medical bills and lost income during recovery. This experience highlighted the direct link between health and financial stability. By incorporating regular physical activity and mindfulness practices into his routine, Alex not only improved his health but also reduced his healthcare costs and increased his overall productivity. Investing in our health is a critical financial strategy. Preventative care, stress management, and healthy lifestyle choices can significantly reduce future medical expenses and safeguard our earning potential. Remember that maintaining our health is an investment in our financial future, emphasizing the importance of a holistic approach to personal finance that includes taking care of our physical and mental well-being. 8. Forgoing personal happiness and fulfillment in the pursuit of financial success. It's crucial not to overlook personal happiness and fulfillment. A 2024 survey found that individuals who balance their financial goals with personal passions and relationships report a 30% higher level of life satisfaction than those solely focused on wealth accumulation. This statistic underscores the importance of aligning financial endeavors with what truly brings joy and meaning to our lives. Consider the story of Lily, who achieved her goal of becoming financially independent by her mid-30s. Despite her financial success, she felt a sense of emptiness because her pursuit had come at the cost of personal relationships and hobbies. Realizing this, Lily shifted her focus to include activities that brought her joy, such as traveling and volunteering, which significantly enhanced her overall happiness without compromising her financial stability. Achieving financial goals is important, but it should not come at the expense of personal happiness and fulfillment. By incorporating our passions, hobbies, and relationships into our financial planning, we create a well-rounded life that values both wealth and well-being. Strive for a balanced approach to personal finance, where success is measured not just by the size of our bank accounts, but by the richness of our lives. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.